Welcome to Crash Cases, where the road reveals the quiet seconds before everything changes. Here, real collisions become cautionary stories captured in raw motion. Settle and steady your breath and follow each frame as it unfolds into a lesson carved from impact. Passenger train collided with several cars and a semi at a crossing, creating a dangerous chain incident. Stay cautious near railway tracks and obey all warning signals. A truck suddenly lost a rear wheel, creating a dangerous situation for vehicles following behind. Keep a safe distance from large trucks to avoid unexpected hazards. Driving under drugs, the driver crossed into the opposite lane and hit a truck in Antiquera, creating a severe hazard. Never use substances before driving and protect everyone on the road. Large crash in Matara, Sri Lanka as two vehicles collided sharply at the junction, creating a dangerous situation. Slow down near complex turns and watch cross traffic. Severe collision occurred at a busy intersection, creating a dangerous situation for cross traffic. Slow down at junctions and check all directions before proceeding. Tire failure on DK46 in Lasky led to a dangerous incident and sudden loss of control. Check your tires regularly and slow down if you sense unusual vibration. Semi shot out of the exit with failed brakes, crashing into a traffic light and overturning. Keep speed low on ramps and ensure your braking system is always in top condition. livestock hauler lost control and overturned near a liquor store in Neelai, sending cattle across the field. Several animals didn't survive. Slow down on rural routes and stay alert to road conditions.
Ух ты, блядь! Ух ты, блядь! Сука!
In icy conditions, an X5 made a risky right pass, lost control, and clipped a truck, sending it off the road. Slow down on frozen lanes and avoid sudden lane changes. On an icy road in Tatarstan, a driver lost control and struck two vehicles, creating a dangerous chain incident. Reduce speed on frozen surfaces and stay alert.
To risk any of it now. Worse, they squeeze me out.
Every scene you've witnessed in crash cases carries more than shattered glass. It carries choices, reactions, and reminders that linger long after the footage ends. Let these moments sharpen your awareness and steady your judgment on every drive. Stay cautious, stay present, and treat each mile with respect. Carry that forward. If this opened your eyes, like, share, and subscribe.